Tunnel. Zoom Super Fluke. Texas rig. Let's go right. Naval Texas rig. Okay, we're going to these 3 ponds next. Or 4, 5. And then there's also the 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Come on. No, he spit it. Dang. He'll come back. Got him, son. Oh, yeah. Came back for seconds, bro.
Is it the same one?
Nah. Oh, that's a good hook set right in the front of the mouth. There you go. I don't know. It's really shallow. Take it back. Right as I said that through. Come here, bro.
Bro, look at the size of it. It's another, like, pound fish.
Yeah.
See if he has any friends. I'm gonna tie on a soft plastic.
Good idea. No, little guy. Bikes are still here. This thing's really cool.